Thank you for visiting richterscale.co.za. This is a gallery video to showcase some of our recent heavy-duty weighbridge installations. Our range of weighbridges are Discovery Series, Infinity Series, and our Multi-Plus heavy-duty weighbridges. These are all designed and manufactured in our factory in South Africa. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email on scales@richterscale.co.za, or you can call us on +27 12 386 2060 and speak to a salesperson. We can also design and manufacture a custom size scale if you have a special application. For more information on the products we can offer, please visit richterscale.co.za.